Hey drivers, this is Andrew, ThirdCoastRC here in Houston. It's a horrible rainy day here in Houston today. The rain is coming down and it's not good for driving RC too much outside. So we're going to look at something here inside our shop. We're in the front of our shop here and I'm going to look at something a little bit different today. We're going to look at one of these. This is part of a new construction series that we're going to be bringing for the holidays. This is one of those vehicles. There's many others that we're going to have, but this is the concrete mixer. If you're looking for a car, a radio control vehicle for a younger child, perhaps in like 3, 4, 5-year-old, then this is a great kind of choice. And there's all different ones. Like I say, this is the concrete mixer. So what I'm going to do is going to break this out of its package now and take a look at it. Comes apart here. We just pull. Got a handy little grab on the side here so that we can get this out of the package easily. Just slide it on out. There's a charger, fell on the floor. So it comes with a charger, battery, everything you need to get it going. So I'm just going to pull this all the way out of the package here, and we'll see what we've got. Alright, so this is the concrete mixer version. We've got several others coming in: dump truck, fire truck, front loader, excavator, backhoe. We've got all kinds of different ones coming in. We've got some in 26 scale. They'll be a bit smaller than this one. This one's called 20th scale, and it's a fully functional concrete mixer. It's kind of cool. Let's have a look what it comes with. It comes with this this controller. It's like a PlayStation style controller. It's not the conventional wheel and trigger control system for an RC. This one is more like what younger kids are perhaps used to working with. So the truck comes strapped in. I've actually unstrapped it so we can show it to you. We'll lift the truck out, and then underneath here we have the battery. So we'll pull the battery out here. It's tightly wedged in the styrofoam there. There it goes. So we've got the battery here. The battery is a, as you can see here, nickel metal hydride, 400 milliamp hour. But it's got a standard, well, it's not standard, but it's got a quite common mini Tamiya connector on here. And it charges through this USB port, this USB type charger that you just plug into your regular cell phone type charger. So let's take a closer look at the truck here. Nicely detailed. We've got cement chute at the back here, shovel here. We've got lights on here. These have got all lights and sound on them. We're going to run it in a minute. So we'll take the this is more of a toy grade RC, but they're still very cool and they've been very durable, we've found in the past. So we just pop this open. The battery goes in here, in this little slot. And then of course, with one hand it's a little bit tricky for me to plug in, but I think I can get it here. There we go. Plug that in. There we go. Put the cover back on here, and it does have a little screw that you can screw it down with, but I'm not going to use that. Just push this in all the way. A little bit of wire trap there, and we'll get this. There we go. We got it all in there, ready to go. Controller, the on-off switch is on the back. You see it here, a little on-off switch. So we'll turn the controller on. We'll turn the truck back over, and we'll turn the truck on. Makes a little beep sound. Lights come on the front, and yeah. So now to start the truck, and we're going to put it down on the ground here. So here we go, on the ground. Get the controller. We press this button here. It should start the truck up, but let me just double check that I did actually turn this on. No, I actually turned it off. There we go. So it did a beep beep to let you know that it's connected. Press this button here to start it up. Very cool. So it's got a sound system. So forwards. So you can hear that when it moves forwards, it makes a different sound to when it moves and when it reverses. When it reverses, it has a reversing alarm. When it reverses, we press this button here on the controller, the top shoulder button. We turn the cement. Press this, and it turns the other way. So why you think does it turn the other way? The reason for that is that we can actually load the cement truck with. You could actually load it with a slurry if you wanted. It's a completely sealed cement, but if you see inside, it's got like a corkscrew system inside it. So if we put something inside it, let me grab some pennies here, and we'll put some pennies inside it. Like our off-road track here, whilst I grab these coins, just to demonstrate what this truck does. I grabbed a handful of coins here, and it can be anything you put inside it, but I'm going to demonstrate with coins. So we'll put these inside. Okay, and if we turn this way, you can hear the coins going around in there. If you turn this way, and it actually takes them down. So if it was anything, you turn this way, the corkscrew system maintains the coins, or whatever you put here, inside the vehicle, yeah? So what we're going to do now is I'm going to turn it the other way, press here, and we'll see the coins. And it brings them up, and it tips the coins out through the chute. One there didn't fall because it's too big, because it's a quarter. But it's a really cool little toy RC vehicle with a real working concrete mixing mechanism on the back there. So if you want one of these, they're not super expensive. We sell them for $60 in our store and a little bit more for a shipped version. And we're going to have several different versions. I'm going to turn it off now. Let's do a couple of other functions. It has a horn. Press here. It's got a horn. It has a demo mode, which I'm not going to do because it drives all over the place by itself. You've got to have plenty of room. These two buttons don't do anything. They're kind of fake. And then you press this button and it turns off. So these are a cool little toy grade RC car. Great for younger kids, 2, 3, 4-year-olds who might be interested in kind of construction. We're going to be getting some more of these in. We're going to show more of them in the next few weeks. So if you're looking for one of these, stop by our store here in Houston, pick one up, or message us below in the comments, or email us at andrew@thirdcoastrc.com, or check us out on Instagram and Facebook.